Nilaga, bulalo or pochero. What's the difference? They're all easy to make, satisfying, and very minimum ingredients. Join me and find out. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm greetings, your Kuya Uncle here in Holland, Romilo. Special greetings to our viewers from the Philippines, from our homeland, and viewers from the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. Of course, the UAE. Special greetings to you. Welcome to this weekend's cooking show. We're cooking a very simple dish. It's a beef recipe, Pochero. Very easy, and I'll be cooking it in my own way, a la Romulo or a la Channel 1. I'll be presenting to you the ingredients now. Simple ingredients, of course. The core of the ingredient is the bulalo beef. We need the bone. On the bone, you know, the pieces that we need for this recipe. Just ask your butcher. The vegetables, any vegetables that you have, but preferably pechay, cabbage, and beans. You may use corn or camote to give that sweet flavor, but I'm using instead garbanzos. If you don't have garbanzos, camote, banana, or even mais, use pork and beans, and that will spare the tomato sauce, which I was about to mention. We use tomato sauce. Let me repeat that the pork and beans will be a replacement for the tomato sauce or paste, and the garbanzos, the mais, or the camote. The rest of the ingredients will be using some potatoes from my garden and entire pepper, black pepper, and this laurel leaf, and of course onion. It's easy. We just have to boil these chunks of beef on the bone, bulalo pieces. We'll just have to have it boil, and then once the scum appear, we'll remove them, and then continue boiling for 2 to 3 hours. Surprisingly, not much scum, so we can add the rest of the ingredients. The onion. It doesn't have to be finely chopped. Just remove the peel, and that will be all right. And the pepper and the laurel leaves. Let's just add water. I hope 2 hours would be enough, since I'm using here a pressure cooker. For ordinary cookers, it might take you 3 hours. So it's suggested to use your dirty kitchen. Let's assume working. I'm working from home. See you later. It has been boiling for 2 hours now, and I believe it's I forgot to turn on the exhaust fan. Now let's prepare the ingredients, the rest of the ingredients. These are potatoes that I have harvested from the garden. The last 3 or 7 from the last season. It's not time for string beans, but these are good. This came from Ethiopia, imported from Ethiopia. I don't know where this was grown, but I think from Spain, because it's not planting season in Holland this time. So we'll be using just, I think, the outer part of just this. If you enjoy what you're watching, help me make more of these kinds of videos by subscribing and hitting the bell icon so that you get notified every Mondays and Fridays for new videos. And share! Ibida natin ang pagkain nating Pinoy sa buong mundo. Inggitin natin ang mga Bombay at Thailandese. Seriously, let's show it to the world how good our Pinoy food is. Let's add the salt. And the potato. And the garbanzos. If you're using pork and beans, this is the time to add your pork and beans. Don't throw away the water. Let's use the water to give our soup a sweet taste, or a sweetish, not sweet, but some sweetness, just some sweetness. And the tomato sauce or tomato paste. Look how convenient it is. How convenient. If you notice, what makes the bulalo become Pochero is the tomato sauce. In some parts of Pangasinan even, there's a confusion. They interchange bulalo and Pochero, or nilaga and Pochero. But the Cebuano way is with tomato sauce. And that's my channel one's way as well. Other channel one called tomato sauce. Let's just boil this, and then once the potato is about to soften, let's add the rest of the vegetables. It's really good. This is our Pochero recipe from the Holland. Thank you for joining your Korea this weekend here in Holland in a small kitchen. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to share, to subscribe, and ibida natin ang pagkain Pinoy sa buong mundo. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, just tagbati. Kain na tayo. Kain na tayo. Oh, it's really good. Of course, this is best eaten with rice or solo, pwede ring pangpulutan with your favorite drink. Or solo, this complete complete meal. It has potatoes in it, or camote, whatever you have put in it. It's really good. You need rice for this. Yeah. If you're a Pinoy, you need rice for everything. Mmm. Of course, we pour the soup onto our rice.